welcome back to intelKeen Skills. This is day 2 of our 30 days of code challenge on HackerRank. On day 1, we learned about data types and taking input. Today, we are moving one step ahead and learning about arithmetic operators, which are used to perform basic calculations in Python. First, let us understand what are arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are simply the operators we use for math operations in programming. Just like in real life, we add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. Python uses operators to do the same. The most common arithmetic operators are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, and into for multiplication, and slash for division. You will use these operators in almost every real world program. So, in today's problem, we'll apply arithmetic operators to a real life situation. Here, imagine you are at a restaurant. You have three inputs, which are the basic price of the meal, the tip percentage, and the tax percentage. And our task is to calculate the total amount to be paid. Let's break the logic step by step and try to understand slowly. First, we'll calculate the tip amount. To calculate the tip amount, we'll multiply the meal cost with the tip percentage divided by 100. And same for the tax amount. To calculate the tax amount, we'll multiply the meal cost with the tax percentage divided by 100. Now we got the tip amount and the tax amount. Now we'll add the meal cost plus tip amount plus tax amount. We round the total cost and we'll print the value, which is the total price that we has to pay. This is the logic that we has to do. Now let's try to write the code on this and solve the code. Yeah. This is the example that I have explained you till now. Now let's write the code one by one, the logic. See here, we have to write the logic here in this function. First, let's calculate the tip amount. Tip is equals to, we have the meal cost into the tip percentage. Tip percent divided by 100, as I told you. Same for the tax amount. And this is the tip amount. And this is the tax amount. Now, let's add the value and round that total value, then print the output. Now, total cost we'll get by adding tip plus tax plus meal cost. Now we need to round the value. For rounding the value in Python, we'll use round. Print round means here it rounded to the value, nearest integer value. If you got the decimal value, it rounded to the number which is the nearer to that, to the integer. Round off total cost. Yeah, this is the logic, the simple logic, but it is very helpful for you in the future to solve the big coding problems for sure. Let's run the code and check the output. Yeah, we got some error here. Yeah, that is here for tax amount we need to use tax percent, not tip percent. Yeah, let's run the code again. Yeah, the problem got solved, and I hope you like the video and you understand what are arithmetic operators and how we round the values using round in Python. That is all for today. Thank you. If you completed today's problem, comment day 2 done, practice once more on your own, and I'll see you tomorrow with day 3. Keep practicing, stay consistent, happy coding, and if you find the video very helpful for you, please like and subscribe to intelKeen Skills. Thank you.